ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa bus terminal dito sa Talatsao. At pupunta kami ng Udon.
Mama, can we go na?
Yeah, but later pa tayo, anak. Alas 10 pa tayo. 10 o'clock pa tayo aalis. Kasi puno na yung bus. So 10 o'clock pa yung susunod na biyahe.
Mama.
Hindi kami umabot sa 8 o'clock. Yes. Ano po?
We'll go to the bus na.
Later pa po kasi ano na, full na yung bus na isa. So we have to wait for 2 hours. We have to wait for 2 hours and then wait natin si Papa at si Tita An. Ayan, say hi. Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going?
Sa
Bangkok.
Fishy
Saan?
Bangkok.
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes. We
Where
will go
else
to
is there?
10 because yung hotel may ano siya, may swimming pool.
Thailand. Ow, again.
Bus ticket. So, nakabili na kami ng ticket, guys. It's 130,000 kip ang isa. Pero si Mary libre siya. So, kakandungin na lang namin siya mamaya. Ano? Ano? Tanggalin mo. Ayan, oh.
Paano?
Ano?
Akala ko naman kung ano naiwan yung passport.
Oh.
Stiso pala.
Sabi niya, nasa sasakyan kami, hindi siya mapakali. Hindi siya mapakali, ginanan niya. Pinil niya, sabi niya, may nakalimutan ako. Sabi niya, ano nakalimutan mo? Yung pustiso ko. Sabi niya, tawagan mo sana. Tapos yung pang alas 8 sana, no? Anong oras na? Hindi na sana kami umabot. Hindi niya na sana nahintay. Eh, wala nang, puno na. Wala nang ticket. Kaya alas 10, sabi ko, baka talagang
Inantay para sa kanya.
ano sabi ni, Ate Boyusay? Nag-follow ka ulit.
Wala pa ka passport, sabi ko. Siyempre, hindi ko naman alam kung saan dyan sa ano. Kunin ko yung dalawa para safe.
Ay, balik mo na yung isa.
Dito,
Baka masira.
Hindi masisira. Para sabihin nila may posisyon na si Mary.
Iwan niya yung kalahating buhay. Tingnan nga, smile ka na.
Papa.
Buti na lang andito si Tita Ann.
Sabi ko, naka-e-bike naman din ako ginamit ni Kuya yung motor. Sabi ko, pilot pa ako nakadanan dyan.
Kaya nga, para talaga sa buti na lang may e-bike.
Not good for you, anak.
Ba?
Meron pa. May nakalimutan pa kayo. Check nyo na.
Alas 10 pa naman eh.
Alas 10 pa.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! So, nandito na kami sa bus. Nakasakay na kami. Ayan na. 10 o'clock, alis na tong bus. Papuntang Udon. See you there guys. Sabi mo.
See you there, guys, and we will swim and you say, please do that. Bye.
2 hours later.
Hello guys! So, nandito na kami sa Udon Thani Airport dito sa Thailand. Ayan. Yung malulog din. Nakasakay.
I-charge ko nga yung cellphone ko.
Hello guys! So, nandito na kami sa airport and nag-order na kami ng pagkain dahil wala pa kaming lunch. So, yung ating pagkain is soy garlic boneless thighs pala.
Gusto mo ng lap?
Mama, how about me?
Lap na.
Mama.
Pork.
Mama, how about me? Mama.
Doon na lang
French
tayo kumain
fries.
ng madami.
French fries.
Kumain pa tayo.
Yay.
Tapos may french fries si Mary. Nag-order siya ng fries cheese flavor.
But I don't want that. I don't want that. I want
Ayan.
white, red.
Kararating lang namin dito sa Udon Thani Airport. Ayan, dito sa Thailand. So, 3:40 pa yung flight namin papuntang Bangkok.
Yes, I can do it.
So, magla-lunch muna tayo, guys. Huwag mo ipupok at nakamaan na lang.
See? I can do it. I have fun too. What?
Nauna na yung order ni Mary sa niya. Ang tagal daw ng order ko.
I have a new fun.
It's okay, you can use it. It's yummy? Is it cheesy?
When you're talking because you know remember that the chocolate and she And she
Oh,
stuck
really?
here, yeah. That's why.
The food stuck on her throat?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I
Don't talk.
don't talk, okay?
Hulog. Galing oh. Yummy?
Mama,
Yummy?
why don't you do that, Mama?
Soon eh. Welcome soon. Ito na yung food namin. Bulgogi and chicken with rice. Let's eat. Hati tayo. Muntik ka na. Kain tayo, kakabsat. Mga,
Let's
sarap
try this.
naman yun.
A few moments later.
Eric,
I play it.
Hey, you gotta hold. You gotta.
naka-check-in na kami guys. So, papunta na kami sa gate 5. There, gate 5. So, upo lang tayo dito. Tingin ka kung saan malapit yung
สวัสดี
saksakan.
ค่ะสายการบินไทยเจ็ตแอร์ที่เป็นที่วีซ่า205วีซ่า205
Huwag
ก่อน
doon
ที่
tayo.
จะออกเดินทางเป็นท่าอากาศยานนานาชาติสุวรรณภูมิขอเรียนเชิญผู้โดยสารสกายบอส CP VIP ผู้โดยสารที่เดินทางกับเด็กเล็กผู้โดยสารที่ต้องการความช่วยเหลือเป็นพิเศษ
Andito na kami sa aeroplano guys. Mary? Mary?
Hello.
Mary's pretty. How are you doing? Ayan. Bangkok. Here we come.
Yeah, what happened? What? You gotta be attentive.
Papa.
ท่านจะออกจากเครื่องบินค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ Dear guests, please check once again on your seat pocket and the overhead compartment.
Mary! You're tired. Hello guys! So nandito na kami sa Bangkok, sa Don Muang Airport. Ayan, so nag-toilet lang si Papa Jumar. Nakarating na kami. It's time check, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So ayan si Mary. Mary? Pagod na daw siya.
Yes, pagod. I don't wanna walk anymore.
You don't want to walk anymore? Why ngay? Huh? Are you ready for our activity tomorrow? Yes? You are gonna see a lot of animals tomorrow. Yeah? Not now, tomorrow. Mary, don't touch that. Ma-ouchie ka dyan. Pagod na daw siya maglakad. Oh, sige. Dito tayo sa sidewalk. Ang ginoo.
A few moments later.
Sa wakas guys, nakarating na kami dito sa hotel after 1 hour mahigit na biyahe. Ang layo pala nung hotel doon sa sa airport. Ang cute. Diamond City Hotel, guys. Mary, nakatulog na rin si Mary sa biyahe. Popcorn ka. Mary? Mary? Are you hungry na?
Na? Pa? Sorry.
Hello guys! So, nandito na kami sa room. Ayan. We are here at Bangkok na anak. Bangkok na tayo. So, ito yung room namin guys. As what you can see. As what you see, what you get. So, yan lang yon. Okay na siya kasi tutulugan. Ha?
Ito yung fridge namin.
Anong meron sa loob?
Na water.
Water.
Hap,
Water
ito
lang.
toilet namin.
Ito, bathroom. Yan, bathroom to. Ito, toilet. Ayan na yun. Ayan na yun. Dali na natin yung bag. Hello guys! So, nakakain na kami. Nandito na kami. Nakabalik na kami. Nakapag-freshen up na kami. So, it's time for us to sleep na guys. At maaga pa ang aming lakad tomorrow. So, ayun
We watched
guys.
the Mr. Wolf because I'm scared. And there's a boy coming, the people, and they come to touch. Now they do believe them. So, I want to do that again. Bye.
Alright, so good night guys. And see you again next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night. And welcome our video to watching. Bye.